Hey guys, it's me Lucy with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to keep watermark in one page only in your Word file. So here, as you can see, there is watermark in both of the pages. So what I am going to do is I will click the top of the page just like that in the header section, and I will click on this watermark right here, and it will show you some other tabs as well. Let's not go to that. I will go to Home tab and click on this button right here in the clipboard ribbon. That's the option for copying. I will click on this and I will delete it completely. Now, as you can see, it's gone in both of the pages. So select the page you want to keep the watermark in right here and paste it there. And you will see the watermark in the page that I selected. And that's how you keep watermark in only one page. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.